let me introduce you our 6-axis, the big coiling machine. And this machine can make up the wire diameter up to 16 millimeter. And here you can see the servo motor here. There is total 6. And this one is the outside diameter servo motor. And this is up and down cutter servo motor. And this one is the pitch servo motor. And also there is wire feeding servo motor from this side. And here you can see our roller here is 4 sets. And here is the wire straightener. And let's come to see our computer system here. That has the different axes and also can control the speed. And we have the alarm system. If you didn't have the wire fitting like this one, that will wire a machine alarm. It can avoid you to make a mistake. And also this computer can save 10,000 pieces program inside. Thank you. Bye.